Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn factorization. Do you know what is the mean by factor? So, for example, if a is any number, it can be written as a equal to b into c. Then b and c are called factors of a. For example, let us take one number. If you take any number, let us say here I am taking 6. 6 is a number. Can you write 6 as a product of any two numbers? So let us write 6 as a product of 2 and 3. So here these 2 and 3 are called factors of 6. And one more way we can write 6 can be written as 1 into 6. So here 1 and 6 also factors of 6. Is there any product of any other product of 6? So we can't write 6 as any other two products. So here 1, 2, 3, 6 are called factors of 6. So when 6 is a number, 6 we are writing as a product of two numbers 2 and 3. In another way, 6 is I am writing 1 into 6. In this all factors 1, 2, 3, 6, which are the primes? Here 2, 3 are prime factors. So 6 equal to 2 into 3 is called prime factorization. So when a number is written as product of prime numbers, then that form of factorization is called prime factorization. The form of factorization when the number is written as a product of all prime factors, then the form is called prime factorization. Now let us take one more number 42. So 42 can be written as 6 into 7, or again here this 6 and 7 are 7 is a prime number, 6 is not a prime number. So I am writing this 6 as a product of two prime numbers. Can you think 6 can be written as product of which two prime numbers? So 6 can be written as 2 into 3 into 7. Now let us see here 2, 3, 7. These three numbers are prime numbers. So this is the 2 into 3 into 7 is the prime factorization of 42. So here I am giving three problems. Express the given numbers in the form of product of primes. So write 48 as a product of prime factorization and 72 as a product of prime factorization, and also like that 96. Okay, now you have to think first write the number 48 in product of two numbers, and then again check in that two numbers are primes or not. If they are not prime, then again divide the any number which is not prime as a product of prime numbers. Okay, now so today I hope you will do these three problems. So we have seen factorization of numbers. Now let us see the factorization of algebraic expressions. Okay, now so let us see one example. Factors of algebraic expressions. Let us see one example. 7yz. Like the numbers have already have seen the above problems, how to divide the number as a prime factorization. Now let us learn how to divide the factors of algebraic expressions. So let us take one example. 7yz. Here 7 is a number, y is a variable, z is a variable. So let us write 7yz as a product of 2 or 3 numbers, or 2 or 3 terms. Okay, now I am writing 7 into yz. or we can write 7y into z, or we can write 7 into y into z. So here one more way we can also write 7z into y. So here 7 yz, 7y z y. So these are all the factors of 7yz. But here see this 7 into y into z. 7yz can be written as 7 into y into z. This 7 into y into z are the factors of 7yz. So these 7 into y into z are the factors. This 7 into y into z is called irreducible factors. 7, y and z is called irreducible factors. 7, y, z are called irreducible factors like prime factors. In before numbers we have learned prime factors. Like that prime factors, here 7 and y, z are called irreducible factor. So you have to understand prime factor indirectly meaning of the irreducible factors. So prime factors word is replaced by in the algebraic expression as a irreducible factors. Okay now students. Now let us see one more problem. 7y of z plus 3. Here how many terms are there? 7 is a number, y is a term, z plus 3 is a term. Now it can be written as 7 into y into z plus 3. Okay, yes or no? So here 7 and y and z plus 3 are irreducible factors. Okay. So similarly, let us see one more problem. 8x square yz. Here 8 is a number. This can be written as 8 into x square into y into z. Have you seen here 8 is a number. This can be written as product of prime factors. So 8 can be written as product of prime factors means 8 can be written as product into 4. So x square also can be written as x into x into y into z. So again this 2 into 4. 4 is not a prime. So again let us write 4 as a product of prime numbers. That means 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So x into y into z. So this is the 8x square yz can be written as the factorization. This factorization is called factors of algebraic expression. Here 2 comma 2 comma 2 x and x y z are irreducible factors. So similarly you have to find the factors of 2xy of x plus y. And one more problem. 18x y square. Okay na? And one more, write 3x plus y cube z. Write one more as 5x of y plus 2 and z plus 3. Okay now students, I hope you will do these problems today. So everyone should do as possible as early. Okay now students, have a nice day. Thank you. So tomorrow let us see different need of factorization, where the factorization is required, methods of common factors and different methods of factorization, So tomorrow let us learn those topics.